Hello everyone, welcome to philviestory. Today I'm gonna show you how I usually fry plain omelette for my kids and then also a fried onion egg for myself. I'm the only one in the house that will take onion, so usually I will cook plain fried egg, the omelette style, and then fried onion egg for myself. Depending on the egg size, usually I will put about 4 to 6. If it's grade B, then 5. If it's grade A or AA, then 4. And if it's grade C, then I might put 6 or 7. So just crack the egg into a bowl and then season it with a little bit of salt and white pepper powder. Lightly beaten the egg till it's well combined, and I also will slice up one small onion since I'll be cooking like one person portion, so I'll be using just very small onion. Slice it up. In the wok, I will add in oil and then use medium heat to heat up the wok. Nowadays, most of us are using non-stick pan, and to care for your pan, be it marble or ceramic, it's always preferably that you heat up the wok together with the oil. Like this, you won't spoil the coating. Once the oil is hot, I will pour in the egg, roughly about a third of it, and let it cook. I will be using medium heat throughout the whole cooking process. There is no need to put on high heat to cook the egg. When the egg got a nice brown bottom, then just flip it over and cook on the other side. And once it's done, just serve it on a plate. Next, I'm gonna cook another third of the plain omelette. I don't usually cook my omelette all at once because of the wok that I'm using is actually just like 30 or 32 inches, and I find that if I pour too much of the egg inside, it will take some time to cook, and also it will be very thick. Okay, now it's time to cook my onion egg. So I don't actually add extra oil if there's enough in my pan. I will just add in the onions. But if there's not much of oil in the pan, I will add in a little bit of oil, let it heat up before I put in the onion. Depending on your taste, I like crunchy onions, so I will just put in like 30 seconds or so before I will start pouring in the egg. And once I pour in the egg, I will give it a quick stir to mix it around so that I got a evenly spread out onions together with the eggs. So just make sure that you cook both sides into golden brown color, then it's done. Do not overcook it, if not it will be dry and it's not nice. But if you undercook it, you will have a quite runny and soft inside, which is also not nice. So thank you for watching. Bye.